In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Jira integration with Monday.com. This process will take about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, you're going to want to head over to Monday.com. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Monday.com in the search bar. Once there, you need to click on the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the web page. This will lead you to the Login page. Here you'll notice several options for logging in. For this tutorial, we'll focus on using a Google account to access Monday.com. So go ahead and click on the Google option. You'll then be prompted to choose which Google account you'd like to use to sign in. Select your desired account, and you should be logged into your Monday.com account within seconds. Once you've logged in, you'll need to navigate to your board. Your board is the place where you'll be doing most of the integration work. Look for the appropriate section or link in your dashboard that directs you to your board. Click on that, and it should take you directly where you need to be. Next up, locate the Integrate button. This can usually be found at the top right corner of your board page. Clicking this button opens up a variety of integration options available to you. Here, you'll want to scroll down through the list until you spot the Jira integration option. Once you see it, click on it to initiate the process. After selecting Jira, you'll be presented with different types of connections you can establish. This choice is significant as it determines how your data will flow between Monday.com and Jira. Choose the connection type that best fits your needs. Now comes the time to click on Use Template. Templates can make integration a lot smoother by providing preset configurations that you can use as a starting point. This feature ensures that you're not starting from scratch and helps streamline the setup. You'll then be prompted to provide some essential details, so it's crucial to have this information handy. Input the necessary details such as your email, token, and subdomain, ensuring that all information is entered correctly to avoid any issues. Once all those details are in, it's time to proceed by clicking on Connect. At this point, you'll be led through the authorization process. This step is vital as it ensures that both platforms are correctly synced and secure. Just follow any additional prompts to authorize your connection. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Jira with Monday.com. You've connected your platforms efficiently, paving the way for enhanced collaboration and streamlined project management. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.